MI-305L heavy-duty ultra-low profile TV wall mount with locking. Installation. With a stud finder, locate the studs and center the mount on the studs at the desired height. Using the bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the wall and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil as shown. Use a 3/16 drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers and tighten until secure. Using the bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the 6 mounting holes with a pencil as shown. Use a 3/8 masonry drill bit to drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. Align the VESA arms over the VESA holes and then attach the arms by selecting the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes. Remove the nuts from the extenders. Place the extenders on the ends of the VESA brackets. Then, reinstall the nuts to secure them in place. Hook the TV onto the top of the wall bracket, then slowly swing the TV down until it is fully lowered. Slide the locking bar into place on the underside of the wall bracket, making sure that the locking bar is orientated appropriately as shown here.